Okay, so hi guys, my name is Saurabh. I like to make content on cloud DevOps, Kubernetes in general. So in today's video, we will try to use Cursor voice assistant to manage our infrastructure. Okay, so we have a OpenStack platform. Let me just log into my OpenStack. So let me just open to my OpenStack. You will see that there I don't have that much of instance right now provision into my OpenStack platform. What I'm going to do is that I just go to into my cursor and go into my cursor and type or input the voice instruction to my cursor to create a virtual machine and install GitLab Community Edition. So I will have a working GitLab software. Okay, so let me just see how it actually goes. Hi cursor, use Pulumi to manage my OpenStack. I have an admin openrc.sh file. Use Pulumi Python OpenStack thing to create a virtual machine and name it as a GitLab CE and install GitLab Community Edition latest version into that particular virtual machine. You can check my OpenStack resources just like network and instance, and whatever it fitted, just create the resources using Pulumi and install GitLab into the virtual machine and give me the final result. And if any error occurs, please rectify them. ओके सो मैंने कर्सर को वॉइस कमांड दे दी है. लेट जस्ट चेक कर्सर किस तरीके से रिसोर्सेज क्रिएट करता है एंड इट कैन सी माई डिटेल्स. ओके ओके ब्रो. ओके सो जस्ट आपको हिट यस 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 रन 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 दीज आर द सम इनपुट आपको करना है एंड या जस्ट चेक करते हैं कि किस तरीके से ये कर पाएगा. ओके सो कर्सर इज क्रिएटिंग सम Pulumi resources. आप जिनको Pulumi नहीं पता, Pulumi is a very popular tool. It is alternative of Terraform. You can using programmatic language using Python, Go or PHP, you can create a Pulumi code and manage your infrastructure. Okay, and yeah, let me just see how actually it will look like. So वेरिफिकेशन कर देते हैं. So requirement install कर रहा है ये, which is a good thing. So you just create a virtual machine, a VNV using Python VNV command and install the all the requirement and just see कि कौन कौन से requirement ये install करता है. So parallelly मैं भी इसको source कर देता हूँ and please से I can able to see कि कौन कौन से requirement ये install कर रहा है. Let me just see. So ये इसने कुछ resources install करे हैं. You will see in this requirement file itself. And Pulumi and Pulumi dev.yml, it is a core thing which can be used for creating the resources. Okay, so yeah. So मैंने initialize कर दिया है मैंने अपना stack. So okay, it is asking me to change something, so उसने change कर दिया है. So don't worry, whatever the error is coming, the cursor will check and rectify them as expected. हाँ Pulumi dev.yml में उसने कुछ changes करे हैं. Okay. Yeah. So Pulumi preview command तक चल गया है. Preview command is nothing but a Terraform plan. Okay, Terraform hide real. ठीक है. वो OpenStack network list check कर रहा है और वो network check कर रहा है कि which network I can able to use, which is a good thing. Bingo. So you will see in some moment resources will going to be created. Preview is now clean. ठीक है, run कर दो आप Pulumi को. So it will create the resources. Let me just go to here and let me just go to the network tab. Refresh bro, refresh. अच्छा यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बना है ये. Go to refresh. Still nothing. So हमें कुछ error आया है security group का. So let me my cursor will check and rectify them as well. ठीक है, समझ गया. Refresh this thing. Still no virtual machine. Yeah, you will see one virtual machine in GitLab -ca will going to be created. Okay, so let me just wait for this thing to be updated as soon as possible. You will see मेरी internal IP ये 90 रहेगी. Let me just wait for this thing. ये 90 रहेगी, हमारी external IP 150 रहेगी. Okay, so yeah, internal IP is this thing, and now what we have to do is that cloud init. So Pulumi. Understood. So cloud init these are the command जो जब मेरी GitLab जब मेरा virtual machine provision हो जाएगा, then these are the command which are going to be used. Okay, so let me just wait for this thing to be successfully done. What I'm going to do is that just copy this command, copy this IP address, open the terminal. Let me just see if I can able to log into the system or not. SSH Ubuntu followed by the particular IP address. So connection refused are as per now. Why bhai? Okay, now I am connected. Ubuntu, the username is Ubuntu. Sorry. Boom, I can able to log into my GitLab instance. Okay, you will see here. So sudo su and check all the processes, and we will see कि कुछ process regarding the GitLab is running or not. Or yeah, you will see there are some command which is using GitLab. It is actually working. So what we have to do is that we just have to wait for this thing to properly run, and I have to wait for this command to be run properly. So my GitLab module or GitLab service will be going to be installed into my instance or not. So that you will see how easy I can able to manage my resources and deploy services on top of it. Okay, so let me just wait for this thing to happen to successfully done, and then we will try to access our GitLab. Okay, let me just wait for this thing to happen. Okay, so yeah, my entire solution is ready. So let me just check I can able to access my open GitLab platform or not, since everything is done by cursor only. So yeah, you will see GitLab has been installed into my IP. This is the floating IP of my instance. Let me just go to instances, and yeah, this is the floating IP, and this is the virtual machine name, and this is the resources which it created. And you can able to see how can we able to easily manage my resources. Either it is our self-hosted or either it is public cloud AWS using cursor voice input command. So yeah, I hope you like it. Please ping if you want to know more about that thing, how Agentic AI is useful for our DevOps and DevOps use cases as well. So yeah, keep learning and keep on learning. Bye.